Hey, I'm kind of mad at you, or some of you anyway. I know some of you have done the right thing, and some of you are just not doing the right thing. And winners make decisions. And so you've got to make some decisions about your life. And if you're not making decisions, then you need to slap yourself on the side of the head and say, hey, man, what am I doing wrong? What decisions do I need to make? Listen, I don't do these mad at you kind of videos very much, right? In fact, but this morning I woke up and I'm like seeing all these breakouts happening. And I'm looking at all the videos, and I've been making a lot of videos lately because there's a lot. I haven't seen a market like this in a while. And if you're watching TV, you're hearing all the things about the Fed and the market's going to crash and all this crap. And it's not happening, right? And you're sitting there watching it like, oh, in these conservative stocks or sitting in CDs or in these mutual funds, which are not doing you any favors. And if you're not making 11% a year in inflation, you're going backwards. You're not beating inflation, you're going backwards. Inflation ain't no 3% or 2%. Did you buy Apple? I had a video came out on June 6th. Apple, I told you, 199, 200 is the breakout. Apple just hit an all-time high yesterday, hit 221 this morning. All-time high. It's on a breakout now. These are the breakouts that we wait for. These are like we're Ted Williams or we're Babe Ruth and we're waiting for these perfect pitches to come across the plate. And I don't tell you these things to buy them. I don't give you recommendations. I tell you these things to learn so that you can learn how to find them and you can do your own research and you don't listen to anybody else because you're the one that has the power. You're the strong person here. It's not Kramer. It's not some schmo on CNBC. It's not Gary Black telling you to short Tesla and now he's out of Tesla and Tesla's rocketed up. It's not some other moron. You're the smart one. Are you taking control of your trading? And I'm a breakout trader. I'm not a day trader. I'm a breakout trader, and I do covered calls. Those are the two main strategies that I do. And listen, they don't always work. They're not always perfect. That's why, there's not any hitter that hits 100% of the pitches out of the park. But the idea is that we get probabilities in our favor. So Apple, I came out on June 6th, 199. It went up to 220, and it's still on a breakout. Amazon, 192. It hit 200. It's on a breakout. Tesla is up 44% in the last 6 days. Are you in it? Or are you chickened out because everybody told you that sales are going to be down or sales are going to be crappy or, Elon Musk is the devil or whatever, right? All these people were shorting that stock. They're getting hammered. And you could have been buying this stock, in the 150s, 160s, 170s, 180s, and it's up 44% in 6 days. FICO, I came out, 2 weeks ago, and I said, I think this thing is breaking out. It's up $118 from when I made that video. Did you do some research and get in on it? NVIDIA, I told you on January 4th, I believe it was, that it was about to break out. I didn't know exactly when, but I said the breakout point's at 505. Now it's $50, post split 10 to 1. It's up almost triple from that time. It's freaking June, July, right? So that's been 6 months. It's up almost triple. That's like a lifetime for some people of gains, right? SMCI is more than triple. I've got a ton of other ones that I put out. And first of all, if you're not following me, you should. I'm not the greatest, but at least I'm giving you ideas, right? Who else is giving you ideas that work? All right, listen. So enough of that. If you want to learn how to do this, I've got a program called Trade Like a Pro. I'm so proud of this program. It's awesome. It helps people identify breakouts on charts. And when breakouts break out 60% of the time, if they're right, then that chart moves in the direction. That stock moves in the direction. Your portfolio moves in the direction. And it does it fairly quickly. You're seeing Tesla 6 days in a row. It's up another $12, $13 today. It was up, $20 yesterday. It's just crazy. And NVIDIA was the same thing. And when you get on some of these breakout stocks, you learn how to identify the patterns on the chart. You can get a hold of some of these breakouts and it's life-changing results. I have a program called Trade Like a Pro. It's a course. I also am launching this course with a live workshop. It's 4 weeks of live workshops. And it's, I'm going to tell you more about it in a little commercial that I'm going to put here at the end. But you need to join this thing. It's like I have a really low price on it because it's the first time I'm running it with the live component. So it's a course plus 4 weeks of live component. Plus you get some mentorship. You can ask me all kinds of questions. I can show you what I see on the chart. I've looked at, hundreds of thousands of charts, probably millions by now in my lifetime. And I can see patterns jumping out. Again, I'm not always right. It's a probabilities game. But if you're not taking advantage of these probabilities, you're missing out, right? And if you're buying Exxon and Coca-Cola and Pepsi and all these stocks that just sit there they're like flatliners. You're not doing yourselves any favor. And listen, I want to help people. That's my thing. Yeah, I need to sell courses to keep the lights on, but I'm proud of the courses that I put together because I put a ton of work into it. I've spent millions of dollars putting these courses together. If you count all my time and the tuition I've spent, and the mistakes that I've made and the courses that I've gone to, and I'm giving you this course for a very, very low price, and I'm going to raise it in a couple of days because there have already been some smart people that have taken it. Are you one of those smart people? If you want to be one of those smart people, click on the link below. Go to the course, sign up for it. If you don't know if you want to sign up for it, I've got a mini course that I'm going to send you. It's like 3 different modules that's going to teach you kind of what I look at. But sign up for the course. I'm not going to offer it this cheap again, I don't believe, because I think it's so good. And one trade will pay for the whole freaking course. Listen, that's why I'm mad at you, because I don't know if you did any of these trades. Some of you did. You sent me an email or comment or something. I got something that says that you took advantage of some of these trades. And I'm proud that you did, because winners make decisions. Are you a winner? If you're a winner, maybe go and sign up for a course. Maybe if it's not signing up with me, it's something, but taking some control of your life so you don't sit there and watch while recommendations and opportunities pass you by. Anyway, thanks for being here. Here's a quick commercial, and I'll see you on the next video, or maybe I'll see you in the course. Hopefully. Bye. Hi, it's Mark. I'm breaking in here to let you know that if you want to become a better trader, if you want to learn how to spot the breakouts before they happen, if you want to crank up your trading power, then I have something that you're going to want to hear about. On January 4th, I told you about NVIDIA and SMCI and where I thought that they would break out. Over the next few days, both of those broke out to more than double or triple. Were you in them? On June 6th, I told you that Apple was about to break out around 200. It jumped to 220 4 days later. Were you in it? I can show you how to find these breakouts before they happen. I always say it only takes one stock to change your life. So let's see if we can find these stocks together. Now, starting in a few days, I will be hosting a program called the Trade Like a Pro Accelerator. It's my swing trading course plus 4 weeks of live workshops and mentorship. And right now, I have an insane price on the program because I want to get lots of people and lots of feedback on it. So if you're interested in joining me in a group of sophisticated traders, click on the link below to learn more. Or you can even just subscribe and get a free mini course if you aren't sure if you want to attend. Click on the link below. Now back to the video.